my money diamonds. It's your girl Macka Diamond and Macka Docious. Good news, good news, good news. I'm giving away a bag of money for my controversial hit single. He set me free by
What going on is once today is going to be a 2-in-1 and then a follow-up. We have SOLAINE, Macka Diamond and Miss Donna, and it's really a misunderstanding based on what I'm seeing here. So SOLAINE entered Macka Diamond competition, which is $500. Macka Diamond split it up for the Set Me Free, her new song. Miss Donna saw the video that went viral, and Miss Donna is not here for it because SOLAINE was on the floor rolling and she think people using her. So SOLAINE told Miss Donna that is for Macka Diamond video and she got paid $500, which is a lie. But I'm going to play the two videos and what Macka Diamond originally said, and then you can decide for yourself.
Jesus, forgive them.
Make sure you roll. Make sure you roll. Get in a spirit, SOLAINE. Yeah. Let me answer Pauline folks now. She not really say nothing for me bash, for me black car. Because people have the right to them opinion. Like how yesterday, when I talk about the table and so, people have the right. I not go bash her. I just go talk to her professionally. I not go black her for that. She can get a chance. I undress her now because she depend on here. Because in this life, a woman always make mix up come. A woman always cause contention, and a woman always cause problem. And the one them will do it are the illiterate ones. Because you have illiterate and you have literate, you know. Like how the woman say me illiterate. When they say illiterate, I mean we can't comprehend when you speak. You understand? But somehow we have to stay that way and somehow we have to elevate. Now what I want to address what she just said, she said me always a bash SOLAINE. I want you to look in at my face good and listen me now. I meet SOLAINE on the program. And the SOLAINE where me know is not the SOLAINE where me say me love her. Because I get to know SOLAINE now and see her and love her. Now, if you have a friend or you have somebody around you and you see them a go down in a one pit and you can't tell them, say, don't go there, sucker, you go down in the pit, he is a wicked, he is not a friend. I come on here, I speak to SOLAINE. It's like when you see Claudia sit down here, so enough there SOLAINE there, so sit down. And I say, SOLAINE, stop go out and make people boots you up to do certain things. You're a big woman, you're older than me, you're no pitney. You have sense because when you're there on my program, you talk sensible. Because every day SOLAINE something come up. So I just address Pauline. And me talk to you, and I say SOLAINE just easy yourself. I bet you come around me at daytime, come sit down and in the night you go up, go sleep. More you there road and make people have you all about a chat and a video you because them a do it for your attention. When you dance and wind up and such, she say, yeah, must be done, I'm not going to. Sometimes she there, all day sit down. When night time come, I say, SOLAINE, no go no party, go your bed, go sleep. And get up early in the morning, clean up your place, and you can come back down here in the day. Don't drink, don't smoke. I know say you're not going to stop drink braps, alright? But cut it out, or stop smoke braps, so cut it out. Alright. And you see me talk over and over every time me come on the phone or me say people. Remember, you know, SOLAINE did have a set of friend where I put her up in her phone, you know. SOLAINE can't read for send WhatsApp message. SOLAINE can't read for text. That's only for young people. So only for young girl and young boy. SOLAINE have where I put her in her phone every minute. And I tell her, all the one where I tell her about to lie down and go and roll. Me know you have your mama or your mother. No, I will tell SOLAINE if you roll her ground. I will do that video SOLAINE and tell her if you roll. And them tell Silone say roll a ground about getting a spirit. Me know you would look for your mother and tell her say if you go roll a ground and get in a spirit or if you do. We don't have Silone, you don't have mother, you don't have auntie, you don't have sister. You wouldn't tell none of your family member if you do that because you know say anything you tell her if you do and she like the hype and she like the phone and she like the spotlight. Uno do it. Uno do the woman in a all kind of masquerade. And me I talk to her because me see the downfall. Me see what go happen. When Silone hungry, none of you want put her in a phone to get likes, nah feed her, nah give her no money. Because when she not have no money, alright, yes, so she reach. Or if she not reach, yes, so she up and down all about town crossroad, all about her beg. And me can, as a big woman, can't say to Silone, say, stop that. If you don't stop me, I go cut you off. And me say she not stop. I tell you something if you don't know. Look on it. Me teach you something about social media. Because since me illiterate, I put myself in your shoes now. You know, say, Auntie Donna marry go can be an accessory to Silone behavior. If me have Silone in my phone every day come and attack this and people are send money, you know say people can say me Silone work with me or me have her on phone to talk for scam people. You don't know that. Look into it. Cause remember, you know, me give her a platform for Uno Planka see her and people see her. And every time when she come a beg, every time when people call her a beg, I must have to draw with myself. You think me and make me tell you, say, if me no dig all with this program, yeah. If me no sink my program, nobody can sink this but Donna Marie go. Nobody can make me sink and go down in nowhere, nobody come for me. If me is still on, I go down in a pit, me I go run with her. You think me I bury myself with nobody, I make no woman bury me? Me can't talk to her. She cuss me say, look, me see as Maddie send a video with Silone class me night. Through my company I come talk about her behavior. Silone have money for keep party. Silone all call people and tell themselves she want money for keep party in a club. Anybody take up money send come get me how much money me see Silone get to put in teeth here so all long teeth can't reach in. And me can't tell Silone say Silone you not do the right thing. Them if me have a run and know say she have a night time shop and a roll in a dirt and a jump up in a man lap and then what kind of friend me would I be? And what kind of somebody would say me love her me would I be if me can't say Miss Solaiне stop it. Miss Solaine I use the whole I wanna use her. The whole of you have her jump up and down and a dance and use her because you know say something wrong and she have sense. She know say she will stop but she said she a star, she want the spotlight. Make she get the spotlight somewhere else, not over on my page. Because me cannot preach something and then when she come and she talking to me I say yeah man, the talking help her and she interconnect everybody listen. You understand? So I don't know what Pauline say me a bash the woman. If you don't know what bash mean. Constructive criticism is different from bash. Somebody I went some bash when somebody when you got up on phone or spotlight or we go tear them down. People when I mean Silone no good at them, she have her phone, a video every minute. I put her in a pink wig, I put her in a this and I put her. Them no mean her no good. Look how long she has suffered. If it was never an Auntie Donna program, there would have been no Silone. And me I try to, you know how much people call me at the time about Silone? Even argue them I think twice if them to put her in a play. Because of what she had do. Me say Silone, easy yourself. Relax yourself, act responsible because the people them want to put you in a prayer. And if you go a road and go rile up yourself in a dirt, them not going to use you because them not going to you're not going to represent them brand. Happy. All of that me tell her, me say you go get good money for going at the play. Then gain a little $1,000 and a little $10,000. Act responsible. Keep your kin quiet. No. She don't want to. And then you, Pauline, I come talk about me a bash. That's how you make mixed up in a Jamaica. You walk around on social media and make mischief. You mix up for woman because you must see one of them on the fake page or one of them will instigate Silone if you go up and down or will take your phone and all out a video. When Silone there here attack, don't tell she go say anything, don't hear me stop her and I say Silone keep. The whole of the ages of them love Silone halfway tree. Let me tell you now, enough of them call me Auntie Donna as much as we love Silone and as much as she give with joke. We can't take to see people have Silone in a phone or use her Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna, I love the program, I love Silone, so they make me laugh till me drop off of the chair, Auntie. But you need to do, we say me can't do nothing because first thing, me have to cut her off. When she there, she cuss everybody for no reason. If them not ask, if she ask them for money, she don't give them. Then what me fi do? I read me show no Silone Deva. I don't want to tell no lie now. Somebody Silone, them send Silone a MoneyGram for one money. And when Silone go for the money, them black Silone. So Silone come and tell we say them black her. The woman called Paula we send the money. And the money was $50. Paula get somebody to pick up the money for Silone. Paula down here at work. Silone, that a day before you said that 2 days ago. Silone come for the money. Paula turn to her and say, the person will pick up the money not here. So when she pick it up, you will get the money. $50. The person go for the money and take out $1,500. Because I don't know say anybody will pick up money for me, them know. $1,500 out of the $1,500 out of the $50. Silone get $5,500. Silone, Paula down here at work, you know, because we are called donor. Big up the donor them when me talk to. And when me get through from morning. Because from morning, I don't go to me there call donor. Paula got Silone go up a Paula yard. One piece of excitement up a command. Say Paula thief for money. When Paula see Silone now last night, she go back in the night, you know, Natalie. Because she go there and Paula never did there. Paula did down here. So when Paula go up, Silone get the money $5,500. Silone walk at the whole of back bush and say Paula thief for money. And Silone knows so when people pick up money, them not take, them have to get pay out tight and tell the woman say Paula thief. I said to Paula, you know, me talk, if I didn't know about it, say Paula get people to pick up money for Silone, Paula could have never get involved. I say Paula, make Silone find her own friend and her colleagues, them go pick up money. Because you see, your name they all about say your thief. And for $1,500 where Paula no want. I pay Paula, pay the young mister go for the money, the $1,500 figure Western Union go stand up. So how me must condone with Silone and them the behavior there? Eh? And then you know company with your nasty mouth and come tell me say, oh me I bash the woman. That's why this world can never be better because people afraid to speak the truth. People afraid to see people are go wrong. People afraid to see somebody do something and tell them, say them wrong. Eh? When you see me, I make Silone wind up herself and I put her in a phone. When she come here and she do certain things, I tap her. Me get blamed for everything with Silone. And a phone I blow up at the time. I see me Silone here, so. See me Silone there, so Miss Donna, you need to do something. You need to go get psychiatrist. You need to go carry her go a doctor. You need to go carry her go there, so. You need to go carry her go here, so. You need to go carry her. Oh, me for take on Silone responsibility. Silone have her 2 pitney them. The poor Joseph can't manage. I run me, I want to run me from up there. She never have no phone, you never see her in or nothing. But she get phone. And I want to talk to the young miss them. I know some of them not soon yet. You would have never do no matter that you do to Silone. You would have never do no auntie one in a phone a question. Let me show you what I see today with Silone. You would have, let me show you something. What I see you do with Silone. Yeah, good boy. Let me show you something when I see them do with Silone over Pink Wall. When I see them like somebody send it to Pink Wall with Silone. They are grown. Woman in a 2 video, you know. Everything Silone do in a video it and post it. Because I make a mockery of her. This is one of them. Hold on, the phone you turn up. It low. Everything we should when we turn her in a masquerade, let me show you now. Let me show you one of them. Because I see it. Anytime them put up her over there, everybody attack me. I mean, see that? You don't listen to this. You don't listen to this.
Show your roll.
You don't look.
Get in a spirit, Silone. Yeah.
A video they said them put Silone in Macka Diamond. A space I feel video Silone a film. Why you sit down and make whoever you tell for film video Macka? Cause me ear say today now me I got ear. That's your mommy and yeah, go and go play. Allegedly. No, she did come here and tell me say she got do video for Macka Diamond in a pink. I hear people that call me today and I say a Macka video she in a. Why Macka as a big woman who have sense and love Silone would have make them have Silone a roll a ground to put him in a video? You tell me now, no? Tell me now. Why you would have condone something like this? You never see me tell Silone go lie down her. Anything when you do a Silone say you tell her to do it. You a video her and tell her what she should do. Oh, you have the woman a ground. No tell me no I condone with her and send out a video like that. You tell me no, no? Eh? Oh, that look. Oh, that look. When me see it, my heart cry. Water come on my eye. Because I couldn't have my mother and see people that do her so. Me wouldn't them young girl they want to do Silone so and all about to have pit. Me show no Silone page. Me show no Silone page. Every young girl love Silone. Everybody I know say some of them nah. Hold on. Me show no Silone IG page. All of them sitting here. All of them sitting here. When you ask Silone who tell him to do it, inside people. Look on him. All I jump on in a phone. Look now. And then put her up and then give her money and then give her all kind of something. Tell me now. When you know say I use them, I use the woman planka people. Talk the truth. When I take this advantage of Silone and it hurt my heart. And I should even depend here today again and talk about it. This morning, I sit down in the sun, water come on my eye. I said, I want to know if them young girl here. Because I tag me night pan pink wall. Yesterday. And some people are calling me from morning and I say, them could have never have mother and sit down and tell Silone to roll a gun in the dirt. Eh? So me I tell you, don't come talk about me there and bash Silone every day. Because he is a hypocrite. And you are one of them who could have lead her and encourage her to run up and down in the dirt. You know much people me say love Silone and call them, make Silone do her finger and treat her good, and then put her up in enough phone and video her attack. That's why in Jamaica you will see a man dead at ground. And before then take him up and put him in a one car if he can't go to the hospital, them over him a video. I saw the world come to know. Una dig pit and I put Silone down in there. Una bury her. I see enough time accidental things that now for everybody try to put it, find a car fast. I saw phone over the dead. I saw phone over the afflicted. I saw phone over the sick. Nobody now run to put them in a car. Everybody got their video. And that to now do with Silone. You understand? So allegedly, I hear say Macka video will come out or will come out already, I don't know. I don't know mean I no good. All I know everybody I do make sure do certain things and put her up in her phone. I don't know mean I no good. I kill off the poor woman. And then later down the road, you know, see me tell you say social media can't broke me. Nor can't bring me down. Any bring down I come in a social media with me. And me, I bring down myself. Because me not easily get led astray. And nobody can tie me with the rope. And nobody can bring me down. Because any secret me have me chatted. Nobody know what nothing over me head. But as me say, me do my best. Me do some things when me say, I don't know some of them don't reach a pink wall. Me say every minute me see people send me. Them will fully do it. When she come here and she talk on the light, don't you hear she talk sensible? She sit down with me and she have a sensible conversation and she tell me about this and she preach. She have sense to an extent. You understand? When you give her this little pink wig all the night me there so I tell her, I said, Silone, you know, wear the wig. Me take it for fun. Because I can't believe. She said them tell her say a bashment wig, a good dear wig. You understand? Enough people but help Silone feel let down. And them things say she would have changed. You know, Silone could have there yard, you know. Nice, calm, cook her little food, clean her place, sleep, and so. Them have her every night she da road say she a go party. Every night she da road say she a go party. Every night. Wagwan. But don't have for that Blanca people. She go, when she learn, and when me tell her something, if nothing happened to Silone, none of them will you see I put her in a phone. Nah, run to her rescue. None of them. Oh. Apparently there is someone making the video to enter MACKA Diamond's competition. So MACKA Diamond is not responsible. Okay. She tell me say MACKA Diamond send money for PR, so I don't know which part. She never hide and talk her $500. So I don't know how somebody had do it to enter the competition and MACKA PR. I don't know. And that's the one tell me. And she talk to her in her phone. I don't know. I don't hear from nobody. I don't know nothing about them dealings. I do enough. Bring her. Come and I do enough. And I have mother, I have sister, I have auntie, and I have cousin. I would want nobody to do them so. I would want to see nobody to do them so. Anyway, the next topic we're going to talk about.